Peace be upon you. Have you ever heard about first principles in software and test development? If you never heard about them before, or you hear the term but you don't know what exactly means, so welcome to this presentation. My name is Ahmed Sami. I'm a software development. I'm so enthusiastic to share beneficial knowledge which hopefully going to add a beneficial value in your life. So let's get started with what is FIRST acronym in software development. FIRST is a software or a set of guidelines and best practices used and associated with software development and engineering. They are intended to help teams to create high quality, maintainable, and efficient software, and these principles are often applied in the context of agile and lean software development methodologies, especially for test development case. We are going to start with the first letter, which F. What does it mean, F? F, it's mean fast. Fast means that test should be fast to run so that developers can get feedback quickly and fix issues as soon as it's possible. Also, keeping the test process efficient to encourage frequent testing. It reduces the overall cost of software development. So remember, money is talking. So fast is so important. We're getting into I, independent. Independent, which means that tests should be independent of each other. A failure in one test doesn't cause other tests to fail, which means each test should be unique, self, and if you run it several times, you will get the same result, and it will not be depend on other tests or piece of code for your test to run. Repeatable, which means that the test should be repeatable in any environment, regardless. This is a production environment, test environment, deployment. It doesn't make difference which environment. That the test should produce the same results every time they are running. And then self-validating. Test shouldn't require manual intervention to decide it is success or failure. The test should ensure the objectivity and reduce any human error in the testing process, which means the test itself should by itself decide if it's pass or it is fail. Also, that's coming from the independency of the test itself. Timely, which is a T on first, the last one. It means that you write the test as you go, whether hand on hand with your methods. So you write one method of implementation, then you write test of this implementation, or you write test first, then you write the implementation of the test. That's so important because when you write the test during the development, you will reduce the overall writing test after you finish, and also the complexity of your application when you finish. Also, you will detect the errors on the go. So timely is very important to ensure the objectivity of the test itself and to be more approach or close to test driven development, and that will be much better for your test. Here is a gift slides. We call it the first principle of test. You can take a screenshot of this slide. By now you should be aware of what is first principles in software development and test development as well. Thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure for me to provide you with this acronym of FIRST. See you next time with other episodes. Well, was with you, Ahmed Sami. Bye bye.